The third thing you need to know to ensure your implants last a lifetime involves brushing and brushing properly. Now let me say something controversial and say throw out your electric toothbrush. I've actually got another video that goes into detail about why you should do that. But this toothbrush is what I recommend. We've actually branded it and we give these out at the practice I work out of. And it is the Colgate 360 sensitive toothbrush. And the bristles are designed in such a way that it makes it easy to clean properly around your implants. Now, the most important thing to understand about brushing around your implants to keep them clean is you're not just brushing your tooth, okay? You're actually aiming to brush in the gum where the plaque builds up, okay? There's a cuff here. Okay, and much like if you imagine my head is a tooth, okay, there is a cuff of gum and you need to clean this pocket, okay, that your tooth comes out of, and that's where the plaque sits and that's where the gunk sits that can cause damage to your implants in the long term. Now let me go through proper brushing technique. When you're brushing not just your teeth, but I tell my patients to imagine and to try and massage your gums when you're brushing. And how you do that is you angle your toothbrush 45 degrees, okay, towards your gums, and you move in slight circles. But you're actually applying a little bit of pressure onto the tooth and onto the gums, and you'll feel your gums being massaged by the toothbrush, by the really soft bristles. And that's really important. Now obviously you're not just brushing on the one side, you're also brushing the other side of your teeth. Now if you have a gap like this guy, make sure you also take your toothbrush in and you're brushing these two surfaces as well, because they will have plaque buildup on them. Now the last and important thing to understand about an implant, and this is going a little deeper, have a look at an implant that you've got here. The proportions are fairly accurate. What you'll notice is there's a lot more surface area around an implant crown than there is around a normal tooth. And that means because you've got more tooth surface, you've got more plaque buildup. You've got more potential for plaque buildup. So it is even more important that when you're brushing around an implant, you're using a soft toothbrush and you're applying good pressure so that you can clean properly around the implant. So that's it, folks. Those are some tips on how you can be brushing properly and the things you need to know to make sure your implants last a lifetime. This is Dr. Jeremy Lung. Thanks for listening.